Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Sweet Daniels and it's good to have you here. Did you notice the harmattan increasing rapidly in your area too? And there's this fluid spreading that entails itchy dry throats and coughs. To prevent that, or if you're having it already, I have the perfect remedy for you. Let's make shots. Yes, you heard me right, shots. To make our shots, we'll be using carrots, ginger, lemon, oranges, black pepper, and turmeric. Let's begin by peeling off the skin of the ginger. You can leave the skin on if you choose, but make sure to wash properly and then slice it up, cut it into bits to make it easier to blend. After which you set that aside. And we'll proceed to peel off the skin of our carrots too, because we want our carrots to be very clean and neat. You know, there's some more texture that sticks to a carrot skin and just so stubborn they don't let go no matter how much you wash it. So I decided to peel the skin off and proceed to cut that up into bits too to make it easier to blend. So we're done cutting that up and we'll just set it aside into a little bowl while we proceed to prepare the other ingredients we're using. So for the lemon, we're peeling off the entire skin, both the whitish part, because when you peel it up this way, it makes it easier for you to use it and very easy for you to take off the seeds. So we're going to cut it up in the middle and cut up the sides too. Do you see the seeds showing? Yeah, cutting it up this way makes it easier for you to take off the seeds because we don't want the seeds in our drink. Getting the seeds into your drink would give it a bitter taste, so it's important to take off the seeds. Now we're going to repeat the same process for the oranges. So you're going to deeply peel the oranges too and also cut it up into bits in same method as the lemon so you can take off the seeds of the oranges. We're done with our fruit prep, so it's time to blend. Now bring out your blender and put all the fruits, all of it, into your blender. For the black pepper and turmeric, the right measurement is 2 teaspoons of turmeric and 1.5 tablespoons of black pepper. Add a glass of water to help blend the ingredients smoothly and cover it up, turn on your blender and let's have that blend smoothly for a while. Make sure to let it blend until it is smooth. It is done blending, so now it's time to sieve our juice out. We have to sieve it to get the juice. So get your cheesecloth and turn it all in. Then proceed to squeeze your cheesecloth so you can get out the juice. So keep on squeezing it. Squeeze that juice out, baby. Squeeze it and squeeze out every drop. And yeah, we have our juice. So I'm just going to turn that into a jug. Look at that color. It's inviting already. And into our shot glasses. Are you ready to have your shots? I bet it tastes good. What do you think? So I'm just going to proceed to have a taste of this. Has a kick to it. So it has a great taste, but with that spicy hot kick. Well, what can I say? The burning mint is working, right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.